Rive-de-gier, France, October 17, 2024.
Ça y est, elle s'en va.
Donc là, je ne sais pas si vous reconnaissez, c'est ce qu'on appelle la voirie.
The Metéo France Weather Service has called for particular vigilance due to the forecast of very heavy rainfall. The Haute-Loire, Ardèche, Rhône and Loire departments have taken precautions against flooding and high water. 6 departments in France have been placed on red alert for flooding due to unusual rainfall, with the French Meteorological Service reporting that one area received 630 millimeters of rain in 48 hours. The center of Annonay in Ardèche has been flooded.
Donc le gier, il a bien débordé. Hein.
Schools and daycare centers, among others, have been evacuated. Images showed water flowing through the streets and residents standing in thigh-deep water between buildings. School and city transport was suspended and 7 roads in the town center were closed to traffic. Several roads were also closed elsewhere in Ardèche due to flooding or landslides. Similar measures have been taken in other departments. For example, the Rhône department has announced that the flooded A47 motorway is closed between Lyon and Saint-Étienne, and train traffic between the two cities has also been suspended.
Bon courage à tous et maintenant il va falloir un élan.
In Haute-Loire, attention is focused primarily on the Lignon River. A secondary school near the river has been closed. Schools elsewhere have also been evacuated. So far there have been no fatalities, but we remain very vigilant, said the mayor of Haute-Loire. A helicopter and 80 firefighters were called in as a precaution. Authorities said they were closing roads, evacuating neighborhoods and asking residents not to take risks by taking photos and videos. There are currently no reports of fatalities or injuries, although the extent of the damage from the flooding is unclear.
Allez.
Çağdaşlıkta, evet, orası kompon var ya, duvarlar.